Hello everyone, my name is Harshi. In this video, I'm going to talk about auxiliary verbs. Before we begin, I want to say that if you have any questions, you have to let me know in the comment section. And if you want to improve your English grammar, then click subscribe and the bell icon and let's do this together. The most common auxiliary verbs are be, do, have and their various forms. Auxiliaries have 5 forms of the verb: base form, present form, present participle form, past form and past participle form. Be is a base form. So, present form of the be verbs are am, is, are. Present participle form being, be. Past form was and were. Past participle form be. Have is a base form and present form has and have. Present participle form having and past form had and past participle form also had. Do is a base form and present form is do and does. Present participle form doing. Past form did. Past participle form done. So these are the auxiliary verbs. Now look at this sentence. She was, right? She was waiting for an hour. In this sentence, the auxiliary verb to be helps to form the progressive tense or continuous tense, which is the tense used for ongoing action. Progressive tense. Next example. She had drunk it before we arrived. She had drunk it before we arrived. In this sentence, the auxiliary verb to have helps to form the perfect tense, which is the tense used for expressing an action's completion. Perfect tense. Next example. She had been studying before the incident. Before the incident. In this sentence, the auxiliary verb had and been helps to form the perfect progressive tense, which is the tense used for expressing an ongoing action's completion. Perfect progressive tense. So these are the examples of auxiliary verbs expressing tense. These are the examples of auxiliary verbs expressing tense. Now look at this example. The dog ate our dessert. The dog ate our dessert. So, this is the active voice sentence. Active voice sentence. This is a subject and this is a main verb and this is an object. Now let's convert this sentence into passive voice. Our dessert was eaten by the dog. Our dessert was eaten by the dog. So this is an auxiliary verb and this is a passive voice sentence. So in this example, the auxiliary verb to be helps to form the passive voice. So this is an example of auxiliary verb expressing voice. These are the examples of auxiliary verbs expressing tense and this is an example of auxiliary verb expressing voice. Next example. Did you win? In this sentence, the auxiliary verb to do is used to form the interrogative mood. Interrogative mood. That means asking a question. Next one. Don't forget your wallet. Don't forget your wallet. In this sentence, the auxiliary verb to do is used to form, in its negative form, is used to form the imperative mode. That means giving an order. Imperative mode. So, these are the example of auxiliary verbs expressing mood. So, these are the examples of auxiliary verb expressing tense and this is an example of auxiliary verb expressing voice and these are the example of auxiliary verb expressing mood. So, now we can easily define what is an auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb or helping verb accompanies a main verb to help express tense, voice and mood.